So before doing anything, before any introduction, before any single thing on this video, I want to first of all make a live withdrawal to see how their withdrawal works. And remember, I told you guys that you can withdraw from this particular Usdt free of charge. So let me get straight to it. So if I click on this place that says withdraw now, if I click on home page and click on withdraw, you see that I have $15.15 here, which I can withdraw from in TRC20 wallet address or ERC20 wallet address. So I can enter the amount that I want to withdraw, which is 15.5, which is actually what I have on my balance so far. So if I click on transfer out now, it's gonna ask me to put the withdrawal address, and which is what I will do instantly. So after adding the details needed, all I have to do now is to click on this place that says confirm, and as you can see it's loading now. The withdrawal is have now been added. So if I click on this particular place now that says withdrawal record, as you can see now it's under review. So and after on in the next day, actually it was 2 days later because I got busy with something else. I got okay, the next day I did it. I made that video in the night, and I woke up in the morning and I saw that the withdrawal was now confirmed. As you can see it now, it's now showing green and confirmed in this particular platform, which is also reflecting on my Binance account. As you can see, the deposit was complete. Deposit of $15.50 was complete on my Binance account. And if you go over to my balance, you see that I'm now having $14.28 on my active wallet, and in my reward wallet is $2.42. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this product called Usdt, leading bot. Yes, leading bot. So what is leading bot? Let me not just speak long language on it. Yes, there are free ways to withdraw without investment on it, and there are also times of withdrawal. There are marketplace, which I'm also gonna explain in today's video. So first of all, if you go over to my account here now, you see that for those of you that will sign up new, make sure that I will tell you the real truth. I later deposited on the platform, and I'm gonna tell you guys the reason why I deposited, but still there is free withdrawal, and I'm gonna do it right now because that was what was holding me from completing the video later. So first of all, let's talk about the paid miner first. If you really go over to the market here, they will show you list of miners that you need. So as you can see, this one is about this particular first one. If you sign up new, they're gonna give you a free one, which will be giving you $2. I think yes, $2, which will be giving you 70 cents every day. That is 1.4 USDT every day. So 70 cents per task. You are gonna be doing 2 tasks a day, but you're not gonna withdraw from it later. Wait, you're not gonna withdraw from it instantly. Then you need to deposit buy any free miner. That is for the ones that can do the paid one. So later on, after you have bought any paid miner, in case you want to buy any paid miner, let's go over to the withdrawal section. So remember the time that I told you guys that you'll be earning 70 cents per task, $1.4 every day. And it will be in your reward wallet, and you cannot withdraw from your reward wallet instant to your withdrawal address. You understand? So what really happened, how I was able to withdraw my money, which I earned for free, was that I deposited, then I transferred from my reward wallet to my active wallet, then I withdrawed it. So what did I calculate? I bought this particular watch this video attentively. You see the calculation, which shows that I'm not losing in any way. I bought this particular second miner, which I need to deposit $29. If you go over to my account now and you see recharge, Let's click on recharge. If you go over to my record here, you see that I deposited 29 USDT, $29 here. And if you go over to my account now, you see that that is the same amount that I deposited. So I deposited $29, equivalent to almost $30, just $1 difference. And I was having around $30 here or so on my reward wallet. So I calculated it. If I have to deposit $30 and then buy a miner, then withdraw the same $30 from my account, I think it's a win-win situation, and I will still able to withdraw from the free withdrawal side. So I deposited it, and when I went to my reward wallet, I deposited it and buy this particular miner. Just watch this video attentively. This video might not be professional, but it's something, there is an information there. So I have to deposit and activate this miner. I immediately activate it. I went ahead and click on this place that says reward wallet, and you will see, if you click on the reward wallet, it will show you, that is when it will show you how to withdraw from it. So for you to withdraw from your withdrawal wallet, you have to transfer it to your active wallet. So but once you bought the miner, the next thing it's gonna do is to show you where to activate it. So the miner is gonna be giving you 2.1 USDT every day, but you only need to work on it once. So all you have to do is to click on this place that says mine, and instantly it will start mining for you every single day. So you can still be earning from your referrals, you can still be earning these things from your referral, but bear it in mind that this USDT this invitation reward that you are getting from your referrals, this particular one now that I'm currently having 1,567 USDT, is the only time I can withdraw from it is when my downlines deposited. I don't know if they will deposit. So this is my reward wallet now. If you go over to it now, you have to type the amount that you want to transfer from your withdrawal wallet, from your wallet. So if I type 2.42 now, it's gonna withdraw 50% of it. So that means if I click on transfer now, it will transfer 50% of this amount from my reward wallet to my active wallet. Now as you can see, now I'm now having $15.45. Now how do I got this $15? Remember, all this money I almost got all of them for free. Remember, the first one that I withdrawn was the one that the free miner was giving to me. Now this second one was this particular thing that I did. If you click on invitation here, if you click on my team here, for you to see the reason you need to have a team, if you click on my team here and click on this place that says team active tax, this particular place, now if you click on it, you see that my own is completed. You need to have you need to invite minimum of 15 people to be doing the task every day for 15 days. Once you are done, they are done it for 15 days. It's gonna be showing completed here, completed. After showing completed here, you need to meet the customer service, screenshot it and give him your ID. So once you are done screenshotting it and giving your ID, they are gonna, once you screenshot it and giving your ID, they are gonna approve it for you, and the amount is gonna come to your account after 15 days. And your 10 referrals, that is 10 referrals, not 15 referrals, 10 referrals keep on doing the task for 15 days, they are gonna give you $12 reward, which was something that the actual thing that came to my account later on yesterday, because I was discussing with the customer service and they asked me to create a group, which I did. If you are in my downline, you see the group. They asked me to create a group, which I did, and I invite people for them to know that my referrals are real. There's some my referrals submitting their screenshots. So that is when they gave me this the $12. That is the first way to withdraw without investment. As you can see, I have gotten two types of money now without investment. The first of all was the one that the free miner was giving to me. Immediately I deposited and buy the paid miner, I withdraw the money from the free miner. I withdraw 50% of it. It was $30, $31 actually. I then withdraw $15, 50 cents. Now the next one now is the $12 reward, accompanied with the money that I'm earning from the paid miner. Now this is the third one which I'm about to reach. This particular place that says credit score. Now remember I told you guys, once you reach 100, the credit score reach 100, you're gonna withdraw from it also. So as you can see, my credit score remains around 4% to reach that amount, which is 100%. So once you reach 100%, I'm gonna withdraw it, and they are gonna kind of doing a day countdown for me. So once you reach that 5, and can also withdraw from it, as far as I continually make withdrawals. I continually activate my account here. So I think I've showed you guys everything about it. So in the summary of everything, you need to calculate your risk. I calculated my risk, and I said that I can still withdraw my capital within some days, and that is when I calculated. And remember that any paid miner that you bought here, after 90 days, your actual deposit is gonna come back to your account. You see, the actual deposit is gonna come back to your account. So that is the way the project looks like. I saw this project as a long-term project. That is the reason I deposited on it, and this is not a financial advisor video. I'm just showing you guys what I did to withdraw from it. You guys know me well. I normally try out something until I see the bottom of it, and this particular risk actually paid for me. So now I have to withdraw again. So how do I withdraw? Scroll down again and go over to this place that says withdrawal. If I click on withdrawal, now they're gonna ask me how much do I want to withdraw. I will just show them 15.49. Yes, because that is the actual amount that I have on my wallet. 15.49, and then choose TRC20. So once I'm done with it, click on this place that says transfer out, and they're gonna ask me for the withdrawal address again. So for this time, I'm using my Trust wallet to withdraw. This is not my Binance account. I'm now using my Trust wallet to withdraw. So I have to enter my payment password and then go back to you guys. So now this is the withdrawal part. All I need now to do is to click on this place that says confirm, and now the withdrawal is now confirmed, and it's gonna be reviewed. After reviewing, maybe for something hours, it's gonna land to my account. That means my actual deposit to the platform has been completed and have been withdrawn from me. And remember to always go ahead and do your tax. So I think I've showed you guys everything I did and everything I know about this particular platform, and I hope you guys got value from this video. Calculate your risk and do the things that is going to help you earn your money. This is my journey with Usdt. See you guys on my next video. Bye.